these peaks. So the width of these is related, but how many there are and how quickly they are, that really depends on the initial velocity.
Why is there a second peak in the first place?
We had the first cavity occurring here. So what happened is that you close the ESD valve quickly.
Yeah.
You will get a cavitation here. That means that the liquid keeps on moving initially, even though here the liquid has stopped. Then the pressure from the tank allows it to reverse, flow into the cavity, and you get a high pressure peak here. The high pressure peak, first it stops the liquid, then you have a pressure wave stopping all the liquid here. But if you have a high pressure at this location, when it arrives at the valve, it wants to flow into the tank.
Right.
So the high pressure
it starts pulling again.
makes it move in the tank. Then you have a pressure wave of the tank pressure moving here, but now it becomes a flow changing wave. And then you suddenly have a flow again in that direction. And as soon as that arrives at this location, you will have a new cavitation bubble because you have a flow in that direction, which it can't. So at the high point, it starts to separate again. And that process keeps on repeating. And pressure drop over time makes these things shorter together in time and also lower pressure peaks, just because the velocity is removed and the potential for pressure also reduces with that.